vibe, man. We're back in the backyard. Oh, yeah. We're doing something special today, Moss, man. So, I've seen this thing online, right, of some people cooking some shrimp in a watermelon, yeah, on the fire. You know me, I love a fire, you know, blood. So I'm saying, you know what? We're gonna do that, but we're gonna do Jamaican pepper shrimp in the watermelon on the fire. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, man. Something a little bit different. You know what I'm saying? It's cooking vibe. You know we don't play by the rules. Boss lady, the boss lady and flop me. Yeah, so I'll build the fire, yeah? You see the coconut, Moss? If I got any coconut spare, I always dash it in there, because coconut burns like coal. It don't burn like wood, so it's not gonna burn away. It's gonna burn like a coal and keep it heat, you know what I'm saying? And it gives it a wicked aroma and thing as well, you know what I mean? So, first of all, you want to get your fire going, obviously. So now, we're going to season the shrimp, yeah? This is my own little style, Moss Media. So, I will go through the ingredients that we're going to put in. First of all, we're going to put some salt in, okay? We're going to put a nice piece, you know? We're not going to be shy with it. We're not going to be shy with it, yeah? I got a little piece of all-purpose seasoning, yeah. We're gonna dash that in. We got some black pepper, yeah. Remember, this is pepper shrimp, my son.
Be generous with the pepper.
Yeah, be generous. You know what I mean? And we're even gonna spice it up a little bit more with some cayenne pepper for a nice colour. Yeah. I'm gonna put a little bit of chicken seasoning. Just a little bit of chicken seasoning, yeah? Just a tiny bit. We're gonna add some dried thyme. Not forgetting, last of all, allspice. Little bit of allspice in there. Just a tiny bit of allspice. You don't want too much in there, because that's a very powerful flavour. So that's gonna take over. So just mix that around. And the shrimp I used didn't have no shells, card. It's the only one I could get. But the little ones, I find with the little ones with the shells, they work good still. Make sure you get that wood in there. Now we're gonna add after this, is we're gonna add some onion, some garlic, and the Scotch bonnet pepper. You don't know have to wash your hands. Doing it yard style today. You know what I mean? Yard style today, Moss. Proper things. Yes, man. So just put the shrimp to the side there, Moss. And go for the look at this onion, bad man. Yeah.
Super
I see this onion yesterday. It's a Spanish onion, you know? I said yesterday, I said, yeah, that looks cool, man. So we ain't gonna need all of it still.
Yeah, that's a lot of onion.
A lot of onions, so we're just gonna. Probably just use like that. So yeah, like I say, I see this online. I say, yo, I want to try that, man. Remember, from you have compost heap, you know, you can just dash the vegetables, the skin and all them thing there in there, man. To be honest, I don't even think we're gonna need all that onion, huh? Personally, I'll just use 1 onion, people, when you're doing this. That should be good. Down there. 2 cloves of garlic. And we're going to put 2 Scotch bonnet in. So now go for the Scotch bonnet.
What's been good then, Dot? You had a good week?
Yeah, man, it's been cool, man. Just been working hard, you know. Trying out these new recipes and all these things, you know what I'm saying? You see them seeds there? I'm just going to try and dash them on the floor, man. So you see when I'm finished, I'm just going to dig it up a little piece and water it. You never know. They might grow, you know?
I never know. I feel you.
So that's the Scotch bonnet.
Don't touch your face now, yeah?
Oh, I done it last night.
Yeah.
Rubbed my eye.
Not the one, you know.
Not the one. Alright, so we have everything we need now in here. So all the seasoning, the onion, Scotch bonnet, and the garlic is all in there. Now we're gonna cut the watermelon. So we have some watermelon. Yeah, I got these little ones. You know what I mean? I thought they'd be quite easy to cook in, you know what I mean? So bust it like that. Oh, it looks mad when it's small, look at that.
Different still.
Strange, isn't it?
What are these called, like baby watermelon?
Yeah, just baby watermelons, man. Just cut that out like that and put it in there because we don't want to waste it. You know what I mean? So now people would probably get a spoon to do this, yeah? But me, I just yard man style the car. I'm gonna make some juice out of it and know some of my hands clean, you know? You don't know we are clean.
Well, Listerine.
I feel like I'm gonna cut another one because that bit kind of small there. So I feel like I'm gonna cut this one. I feel like I'm gonna cut this one. I feel like we're ready to go, Moss.
Okay.
I feel like we're ready to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna fill up. I mean, I don't know how to do this. It's an experiment. So if this goes wrong, just know this episode ain't going out. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the shrimp to the watermelon, right? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the shrimp. I'll show you how I'm gonna put it on the fire, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Yeah. That's all, man. I feel like that will be enough. Yes, man. So this is my little setup thing, you know, people. You're gonna have to make your own thing, blood. Can't do a fimmy thing, this. You see what I say? So yeah, it's gonna put them on there like that. I'm gonna go for some water. add a little bit of water to each one. Yeah, just a little drop, you know, just to kind of like, so it kind of cooks in it, so we can cook the flavors kind of go into it a bit. We're not trying to water it down to lose the flavor. We're just trying to get a little mixture down in there.
So you know what I'm gonna do, boss? After eating this piece of watermelon,
I'm gonna put the lids on it. Just to keep some heat in. You know what I'm saying? You know, like if you was boiling the saucepan. So, yeah, I'm gonna put the lids on. Have a little look, Mush. Oh shit! Mama cloud!
That's looking fire.
Fam, this was an experiment, you know, Moss Media. Don't play with me!
Close the lid, put the lid back, close it, open it again.
Blood.
I know you're happy with this one.
But
Cooking vibing.
this was an experiment. Don't play with me, please. Yeah, give me my blood clot restaurant now. What? What you telling me? We're telling me, cuz. We're telling me, bad man. Yeah? Peppered blood clot shrimp. Make sure you don't burn the camera. Peppered blood clot shrimp in a fucking watermelon. Yeah? Jamie Oliver. Sit down, bomba clot. Alright. So you say, Moss. You know what? Jesus Christ! Oh my God. Oh my God. You see when people say 10-10, I talk about 11-10. Yeah, you can taste all the, especially the pepper. You can taste the pepper, all the seasoning still. It tastes really fresh, really nice, man. That's really good. I mean, this is a cool thing to do, you know what I'm saying? If you're doing a barbecue and everything there, I'll definitely recommend doing this, you know? Try one, Moss. What are you saying?
Wait.
What are you saying? He's got a kick, isn't he? He got a
Nah,
kick as well.
they're banging, you know.
They're proper, man.
You can taste the sweetness of the watermelon.
Yes, yes.
Don't taste that watermelon, but you taste
No.
the sweetness of it.
Yeah, man. For people, there we have it, man. Jamaican peppered shrimp in a watermelon. Cook and vibe, man. It's a mad thing, bruv. I hope you like enjoy this episode. Don't forget to subscribe and like, man. Push the notification button. Push that notification button so you don't miss nothing. Yeah? We're going to be dropping content irregular from now on, so just stay in tune, man. You can even smell the pepper coming out of it now.
Oh, yeah. Cook and blood clot vibe.
Yeah, man. So we lost the juice at the first one, Moss. So we cooked another one after we finished wrapping up the video. We cooked another one, and Moss was like, "Yo, you need the juice in there, cause like that." So we've got another one here with the juice in it, and you can taste the watermelon. You can taste it, obviously. You have to get a little bit of everything. It's got a kick. You can taste the watermelon juices, all the spices, the onion, garlic. It's good, man. The experiment worked. So we done that bit for you, so you know you can just do this anytime. So this summer, I want to see people sending me some videos of their shrimp watermelon. You know what I'm saying? You don't know people. Big up yourself, man. It's Cook and Vibe. We like to do things a lot more different. We're gonna do some wicked things this summer, man. We're gonna do some real good things. So just make sure you push that notification button, yeah? Viewers and subscribers, big up yourself, man. It's Boss Media and the Flop Media. M.R.